Barney's Army.
All right. Dream Barn to the air tower control, my friends. Did you know it's baseball season? Yes, indeed. It started yesterday officially. And down here, right in Durham, my friends, the old Durham Bulls are going to be starting things off this weekend. That's right. I think it's Friday, the opening day over at Durham Athletic Park there. And this Saturday night is TV 28 night. And for all my good friends who go out to see the Durham Bulls, guess what you'll be receiving? A batting helmet. That's right, my friends. So check it out. The Durham Bulls opening up their season this weekend down in Durham. Check it out over at the Durham Athletic Club. Yeah. All right. They'll play a great game, I hope. Hey, listen, my friend. Hey, wait, look at all these buttons on this plane here. I wonder what happens if you push this thing here. It's like that, yeah.
Switch on!
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, what did I do? Uh-oh. This thing sounds like it's moving. Oh, no, wait a minute. Hey, listen. Control tower. Jetstream Barney. Yeah, Jetstream Barney. Control tower. Wait a second. I pushed the wrong button. Vito, get on the phone there, Vito. Get come on, this thing's moving. I'm leaving. You're on a jet plane. Oh, boy. I don't know when I'm going to be back again, my friends. I hope it's time to celebrate some birthday here. Wait a second, Vito. This is Barney. Vito, this is not a joke, I hope. This is no trick, my friend.
Return to Barney's Army.